I want to say something that's going to contradict almost everything you've heard about manifesting and law of attraction. I'm not saying this to be controversial, but instead, I'm saying this because I've spent the last 10 years and close to $750,000 going so deep into my consciousness work, programs, retreats, ceremonies, everything you can name. And this one belief completely changed my life. And so here it is. I am a creator. You've heard it before. You've probably even said it before. It's everywhere right now on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It sounds incredible. It feels empowering. At a certain level of consciousness, it feels true. It's a real step forward. But here's what nobody is telling you. It's not the highest level, and I don't even believe that anymore. If you're stuck at that level, you'll keep manifesting from the ego. You'll get things, you'll hit goals, but you'll still feel like something's missing because something is missing. And that's what this video is all about. Most of us start at what I call level one. Level one consciousness is very victimhood. I can't change my life. That's where most of society is. I can't change anything. Nothing's ever going to be different for me. I'm stuck. Since that's where most of society lives, it's like if you've done a lot of personal development at all, you've already moved past this, right? You've realized that you have a mind, you have an imagination, you have an eternal state, internal state, and if you shift it, you can shift your life. And that's a very genuine truth. But that's what I call level two. Level two is I am a creator. I manifest. I attract. I am in control of my life. And so you're in a space where it's very ego-led. It's I, it's me. And again, it's a very real step up from level one. It's a significant one. But there's a level three. Now, before I share about level three, I want to share something with you very important. Because what I just described, this entire path, the levels, the soul-led approach that we're about to talk about, and the healing, it's not information you want to just listen to one time on this video. It's a path. I've lived the path. And since it's a lived path, the biggest thing that you can do is have somebody handhold you along this path to make it way easier and to navigate it with you. So for the first time ever, this is generally the first time ever I've done this, I'm opening up a free 7-day trial of Soul, my school group. It's a step-by-step system, no theory, not consuming more content. It's a guided, lived experience, step-by-step. New identity shifting, but allowing yourself to raise in consciousness. The trial is completely free, so you can literally step in, start with the 7 days, and go for it. You'll find the link in the description below, or the pinned comment, or there's a little card that pops up over the video. 7 days, real work, real depth, real shift, about soul-led manifesting, healing, and living. Start for free, try it out, no risk. Now let's get back to level three. Level three is where a lot of spiritual teachers you've heard or listened to actually go. The mystics, the ancient teachers, all of them. Level three is not a way you think, it's a way of being and living integrated on the physical plane. There's a very big difference between all these different worlds. When I started going really deep into my own consciousness work, doing many plant medicine ceremonies, going into deep meditation states and doing these integrated movements that I'm doing now, everything I thought I understood about myself started to fall away, and it got very disorienting and very crazy. I have so many stories about that. It was terrifying in many moments. My identity, my attachments, my frameworks, my goals, everything was essentially gone. It just completely faded away. And it gets very scary because you're stuck between these worlds where it's like, I was once ego-led, but now I'm soul-led, and it's different. I believe very deeply that this life is entirely 100% destiny. It's all predetermined, every ounce of it. And so the mind hates that because the mind will think, well, what's the point of manifesting? What's the point of visualizing? What's the point of anything if I don't have free will? Because free will is something the mind loves and it wants to figure out. But when you go to these deeper levels of consciousness, you can't help but notice everything is unfolding exactly as if it's scripted. You step into an I am awareness and things start to resolve itself and you become soul-led and you start to manifest things into your life that you didn't even realize you were about to manifest. It's like ask your mind, explain what love is. It'll try, it'll share some really good concepts and chemistry of the body and all that, but the mind will never know what love is. It's the same limitation we're up against here. So let's make this practical, because this is where basically everyone is trying to manifest. They're trying to get breakthroughs and have things happen. But ego-led manifesting sounds like this. I don't feel successful enough yet, so I need a lot more clients. Because then when I finally do, I'll be able to feel like I'm a success. I'm so frustrated around money that if I finally had the money, I'd finally feel good. I feel alone, so if I manifest a soulmate into my life, I won't feel loneliness anymore. See what's happening? The ego is constantly trying to use manifestation to fill a void. Essentially, this is all those big entrepreneurs out there, they've built their businesses on filling voids. You can see it through them. And that's what goes on. A lot of celebrities, a lot of athletes, a lot of them are in places where they can't stop, help but keep going and going and going to pinnacles, but they never feel good enough inside. They never really have joy and peace. That's ego-led manifesting, okay? Soul-led manifesting sounds like this. I want to get to know abundance deeper because that's who I really am. So I want to study the art of abundance, okay? So therefore you attract money. I'm open to a partner not because I'm lonely, but I feel whole and complete now, so I'm ready to share this wholeness. You see, the intention and the energetic set is very, very different. At the soul level, it doesn't crave. It doesn't need. Things arrive not because you chase them, but because you are in coherence with them. And that's what abundance is. That's what wholeness is. That's what love is. So why do you visualize? Or why do you still do manifesting practices that we do here on this channel? Why do you heal? Because these are things that allow yourself to get to know yourself deeper. That's a part of the destiny path. Okay? So when you visualize at a soul level, you're not doing it to get anything. You're doing it to merge with a consciousness level so you can understand it. Because visualization is it's a teacher. And so the healing, deep healing in your nervous system and inner child work and all the trauma work is not because you need to necessarily heal in this lifetime. It's because you're re-merging with your soul, and your soul is being called forth to show you the ways that you're healing to re-merge you back in. So when you heal, you're not actually becoming a new person. You're becoming the original essence, which is the soul. And level 3 is not a goal, okay? It's not a destination that you just are going to go to. This is something you live in as a home. If this video hits something in you and it feels like a recognition, a quiet knowing, let me know in the comments box below. I read all of them as much as I possibly can. I'll try and respond. So if you could just let me know, how's this hit home for you? That would be great. And, being here in a Soul Tribe community, it starts raising yourself in consciousness. You start to realize that a lot of the spiritual teachings you've been coming to know and study, you can start to have a home for and actually practically know what to do next. And if you're new here, welcome to the Soul Tribe family. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And throw a like on this video if you're getting value. And share this with somebody who maybe could resonate with more soul-led understanding rather than always being ego-led. I put the teachings here for everything that I experience, then I go on here and express it. So it's not just from a lot of books and a lot of videos and stuff. Everything that I'm diving into deep consciousness-wise, after I've experienced it, learned it, and understood what happened, I package it and then put it into a video like this. And then that's how basically all of our elements of all of our courses and programs are in as well. And if you haven't already, 7-day free trial, I look forward to seeing it. You're going to love it. It's so expensive, so thorough, and so step-by-step, practically understanding what's going on in the world, what's going on in your life, and how do we apply this to ultimately get to your next level. Haug signing off here. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.